Now, what are you putting together? A scuttle?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll get some chili later.
Oh, yeah.
We eat good around here.
I heard that. I ain't mad at you.
We haven't ever starved on a camping trip.
I can see that. But
Gary showed up in his golf cart over there.
all right. We have pulled out the scuttle. And we are making chili?
Chili.
Absolutely.
Southwest chili. Hatch chilies, chipotle chilies, and beans.
So this is gonna be hot?
Be a little spicy.
All right, Louisiana style, like we like. Oh yeah.
If it don't bite you back, then it ain't food.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I ain't no Yankee.
To it, that's simmer. Simple. That's what I like about camp food.
Yes. So you cook it with this wide open, or you regulate the temperature?
No, it's not wide open. Just regulate it to where I feel like I need it.
All right.
This is a 65,000 BTUs. So
that'll
crawfish on this.
That'll cook some. I was just gonna say that'll cook some crawfish.
Yeah, you get it wide open. It could be a little too much for it. Might be a little high right now. We'll turn it down. Where? No. Add onions, a little bit of peppers. You got some bell peppers?
Yeah, I had a piece left over from the pizza.
Use whatever you got.
That's what I'm thinking. This is looking good so far. That's what I like about that.
Yeah, you pull it off to the side.
Yes. Yes.
Get the hot spot in the middle. You can get that stuff going.
Ooh, I need to add one of those to my arsenal, but man, I got so much. But I think that's going to be next on my list. I really do.
Southwest dish. Southwest dish.
And that's the best deal?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Slap your mama. That's my favorite. Yes, indeed. The only thing about slap your mama, I add a little bit of pepper, because it don't seem like it had quite enough pepper to me.
Gotta watch Chad when he seasons. He goes crazy sometimes.
Oh, I got a heavy hand. I'm not mad at it. Now that entire scuttle, the whole setup comes in this right here.
I think so.
No, that is that is a propane fire pit.
Oh, okay. All right.
Up later. It's Outland.
Okay.
Fire pit.
All right. All right.
The second wire right here, I can come off the same tank.
Nice.
You're cooking, have a fire pit, smokeless.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
We just bought one for the RV.
Running around like crazy. Nothing like the smell of the campfire though. That's why I like the wood fire going through there.
Yeah, we don't have all the problems they have out west where we gotta regulate everything. Yeah. But you're all self-contained with that thing right there. So, matter of fact, I got a picture of it earlier. I got it on video. But come on, this is about.
Take your shoes off and stick your feet up under that thing.
Yeah, you were telling me it doesn't drip any ash or anything. So you can kind of.
A fine powder of ash will come out under there.
Now, how much does something like this run? I think you told me like $100.
Yeah, it's about $100. And then I bought a couple accessories for it, 40 here.
Well, why would you just buy it alone when there's accessories? Come on.
Right?
Yeah.
That
don't make no sense. All right.
You know good just buying it
by itself. Who does that?
Right. We'll go the easy route, so we ain't got to chop up that little garlic.
Oh, absolutely.
A couple of tablespoons.
That's what the challenge is all about. Keeping it real simple. I don't home make or anything. Like you were talking earlier when you were cooking about the dough. It's gonna be store-bought every time.
Oh, I home make whenever I can.
Yeah, I don't even know how.
But,
I'm not gonna fake it. I'm not even faking it.
I grew up with a mom who taught me how to make my own bread and everything. I make homemade bread all the time.
I grew up with a mom who made homemade bread and pie dough and all that, and I just ate it. I wasn't paying attention to none of the making process.
I tell you, a couple of Christmases ago, she gave us something amazing. We didn't know she was doing it. She compiled a whole cookbook and did it like a scrapbook with pictures of the family and stuff on every recipe.
Nice.
Awesome.
I guarantee that's a keepsake.
Yep. And did one for all the kids and the grandkids.
Nice. Jalapeno, yeah. We got chopped chilies, peppers, beans, more beans, paprika, chili powder, Tony Chachere's, red pepper, seasoned salt, ground cumin, and sea salt.
That's the secret there. The cumin adds a little extra something to it.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Have you heard how white people don't season their food?
Evidently, the rumors, evidently.
That's them northern ones.
That's them Yankees, that's right.
Yeah.
Everybody out here season food the same.
I've had unseasoned food, man. That's just sad.
It is.
It's sad.
And fella, if you got to pay for it at a restaurant, you're going, what kind of travesty is this?
They pay extra for that shit.
I know, right?
Mix it all together. All right. Let's start adding some stuff here.
All right.
Drop some chili powder.
All right, we're not light on the chili powder. All right.
No particular measurements.
Oh, no.
All by hand.
Oh, no. I don't even have a measuring cup. I'm sure you've done this enough. You don't need to measure.
Some cumin. Dog, come on.
It's fine.
Joseph. Come get Gypsy.
Gypsy. Hey, Gypsy.
So,
What's up?
come on, dude, hurry up. Paprika.
Oh, careful, boy. You're losing some.
I saw that. That's for the dog.
That's all. Yeah, all right, all right.
For the dog. He'll come by and find it.
Oh, yeah.
Rotel tomatoes.
All right. That'll loosen things up right there.
Hatch green chili peppers.
All right.
Put the juice and all with the diced tomatoes.
Boom.
That's the kidney beans, red kidney beans. I'm gonna drain some of that juice.
All right.
Then with the black beans, go ahead and drain.
Drain some juice. All right.
Oh, wonderful. Wasn't hungry earlier, I'm starving.
I know, right?
Some diced jalapeno peppers.
Oh, yeah. The good stuff.
That's gonna be the only thing that's really spicy.
All right, all right.
Yeah, the hatch isn't really that spicy, it just has some flavor to it. I'm gonna add some, this right here is really gonna add it up. It's chipotles and adobe sauce.
Nice.
We end up having to take them and cutting them up as we cook them because they're big.
The chunks?
Yeah, chunky.
Okay, yep.
So we'll get them going in there and they'll
Oh,
soften
yeah.
up.
Kind of chop it up with the,
We'll end up pulling them and chopping them as we go.
all right.
Alright, we're going to add some pinto beans, final. And then a little bit of liquid, might add a little water to that.
That'll work.
But we don't want it juicy, we want a thick chili.
Okay,
Yeah,
all
it's
right.
going to stick to your cracker.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about.
Gonna fatten up for winter.
All right, all right. So you making cornbread? Cornbread.
Tastes so much better than that Dutch oven too.
Oh, the Dutch oven back in the game.
Too old to learn new tricks.
Ain't never too old to learn, baby. And never too proud. Say it's serious business. That looks scrumptious.
Maybe a little spicy. Take just a little bit too. Make sure you.
It might be a little spicy, but it's still kid friendly.
Spoons, crackers.
See about crackers.
That's little baby crackers right here.
You got to slice her up.
Let's see how it came out, because I used kind of my grandma's recipe.
Right.
The only problem was
Oh, living never gonna be the same. Camping never gonna be the same.
We do our camping series.
I see that. Not at all. That is perfect.
That's a sexy slice. A little bit of meat
That's
on the
sexy.
bottom, more on the top.
Yep.
Bacon.
That was perfect.